In the harsh, icy realms of the Antarctic, survival is a challenging endeavor for young penguins. Adult penguins play a crucial role as mentors, guiding their chicks through the perils of extreme weather. When fierce storms strike, adult penguins exhibit remarkable protective behaviors. They huddle closely together with their chicks, sharing warmth and shielding them from biting winds and icy temperatures. This instinctual behavior not only conserves energy, but also strengthens social bonds within their colonies. Mentorship extends beyond physical protection. Adult penguins also teach their young important survival tactics. They demonstrate how to find food in the cold waters, highlighting locations rich in fish and krill. Moreover, they show their chicks the importance of social structures within the colony, teaching essential skills like cooperation and respect. As the chicks grow, they observe their elders, learning to navigate the challenges of their environment. This mentorship is vital for the chicks' development, ensuring they are well equipped to handle the trials of adulthood. The relationship between adult and chick penguins embodies cooperation and respect, establishing a foundation for future generations to thrive against nature's challenges.